Welcome back, guys. 2022 is about to end, and for the iQOO, it's been a really good year. If we talk about every price segment, starting with the 10,000 and go up to the 30,000, I'm not talking about the super flagshipable. They launched so many good devices like the iQOO Jet 6 Lite, the Jet 6, the Jet 6 Pro. We have the Neo series, the Number series, so many great devices. The Neo 6, I mean, if you talk about the 25,000 rupees price segment, I'm not talking about sales and discount like 25 to 30k. This is one of the best recommended choice amongst all of them because it got a very great decent processor, the good display, the versatile camera setup, the OIS and all kind of stuff. I'm talking about the 4K 60 everything, and a very good gaming phone, faster charging, lot of good things that you can expect from a super flagship killer smartphone. Now let's talk about its successor, and I have been using this device for a couple of days, and let me tell you guys, this is so fantastic device. I seriously love it. If you have a budget of 25 to 30k, this could be again a very game changer device, or you can call it as a true flagship killer for the 2023. Let's talk about this device, how this is overall. Starting with the design, surely iQOO and Vivo, like, they try to give you something new, something crazy. The back panel is slightly curved, or eventually you can say it got nearly the same design as the iQOO Neo 6. There is nothing wrong in it since it's a gaming device. You need to have a slightly bigger display, bigger battery, so you need to have some big form factor. Overall, I'm fine with it. The power button is on very accurate position. On top of that, there is a volume, so that means you can clearly control everything with the single hand. You get the in-display fingerprint sensor, and here you have clean. On top you get the IR blaster, you get the noise cancellation and stuff. The speaker, also you get the speaker on the earpiece Bluetooth, USB Type-C, dual 5G, and here you get the calling mic. All the basic essentials are there except the headphone jack, which you can find it nowadays. The display of this phone is, guys, seriously amazing. Of course, you're not going to see the curved display, which is getting a new trend in this year. Hopefully so, but you get a flat panel, the 6.78 inches, Super AMOLED, the 120 Hz display, HDR 10 plus, all the cool stuff that was there on the iQOO is there. But in terms of brightness, there is a slight change. And seriously, guys, this is a very bright display. It is one of the best brightest display you can buy in this price segment. You get the nearly equal bezels, and guys, almost on 3 direction. Bottom there is, I think, slightly more, but it is not eventually noticeable. It is very good display. And let me show you the setting of the Let's talk about the software a bit. This phone is running the out-of-the-box Android 13, but yeah, in terms of software update, I don't think so. iQOO is really very great. They are giving you update, but not very fast like nowadays Samsung is giving you, so choose wisely. There is no bugs. The RAM management is again very good. I did not see any issues like the application getting refreshed. Overall, it's very fine and sweet. Let's talk about the performance, which is again super crazy. You're not going to get this time the Snapdragon processor like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Gen 1 Plus. Of course, 8 Gen 1 can be given at this price segment, but you could have some other compromises like the display may not be as great, so company has to do something. Okay, this time you are getting the Dimensity 9000. For the day-to-day performance, like, you're not going to see any issues at all. Like, I've used this phone for the gaming, for a lot of video purpose, camera testing purpose. You can check out the upcoming full comparison camera test between the Neo 6, Neo 7 and the 9 SE. But so far there is no lag, there's no hitting at all. But here's the benchmarking score for your reference. This is the latest 9.5.3. You cross the greatest score, like, so you buy this phone, you're getting the best gaming phone overall. And guys, about the camera, what's crazy here? Is it again a game-changing camera phone? Well, in terms of setup, it is not super fantastic. In terms of number, you get the 50 plus a very ancient common 8+2, which is again same on the iQOO Neo 6. The primary sensor has been changed, and you get the other feature like OIS, we'll talk about in the video. And about the photos quality, you are getting really a vibrant, bright photographs. Like, you know, this sensor, it is very, it takes really nice shot. Colors are very great. The dynamic range, details, colors, everything is super close. Like, it's very close to natural look what you might be expecting from a phone. And the indoor shots are again very good. There's very less noise. It takes super perfect shot. And this one being its 50 megapixel shot, again it's very crazy. Again, not like the 200 MP sensor where you can see a lot of details, but if you're not on these kinds of stuff, crop and zoom, then this is again a very good sensor for you. Look at the 16 megapixel selfie. There is a slight bit of beautification is still there, even though I have made it turned off, but this is the nature of iQOO and Vivo phones. You may see those kinds of stuff. And speaking about the low light quality, the photos are again very nice. You get the good details. The noise level is again very less compared to what you see on the other sensors. And here's the regular one. This is the night mode, and this is again complete dark. This is again with the night mode. So overall, you're getting a nice punchy details on the low light. But as you might have already seen, the latest 200MP sensor, it takes again brilliant shot. But again, this phone is doing very well. I don't have any problem with that. Speaking about the video capability, you're getting the 4K 60 video support with the OIS. Videos are slightly vibrant, not too much, so a bit of VI effect is there, but I think it is good. Videos are very smooth, there is very less shake, so if you're filming outdoor, any kind of vlogging stuff, outdoor recording, this phone got you, and you can take really nice shot with this phone. The other two sensors are just kind of okay. 8MP take just casual ultra wide shot. Since the megapixel is less, you don't have much details on it. Just find details, you can find it. The 2MP is again useless. It just give you kind of worse shot without any details. So in terms of camera, like, it follows the same footprint with the iQOO Neo 6, but yes, it has been greatly improved on the low light, which is mostly welcome. So let's talk about the battery. This time there's a great upgrade. In the box, you're getting the 120-watt super fast charging support compared to Neo 6. So in terms of charging rate, we have tested the 120-watt. It takes nearly 20 to 20 minutes and sometimes 22 minutes to charge the phone. Completely depends on which electric power socket you're inserting your charger. But yeah, it's super fast. Like in 22 minutes, you can completely charge your phone. I find it okay because it has a 5000 mAh battery, which is, guys, more than enough for most of the day-to-day purpose. If I charge the phone in the morning, I can easily make up to the next day on very heavy usage to mid usage. So yep, it is fine in terms of battery backup also. Yeah, you got to get some better battery here because this is a kind of the gaming phone, you know, if you consider it. So yeah, it's a nice phone in terms of battery backup too. So on the extras, you're getting a dual stereo speakers. Of course, there is no Dolby Atmos support this time. Really sad to see that, but the speakers are loud. There's no official IP rating in this phone, and there's no headphone jack, no SD card slot. So those kinds of cost compromises are okay because you cannot get everything on a flagship killer. You can get a flagship level specs, not complete flagship level features, right? So what's the final thought with the iQOO Neo 7? I mean, they followed the exactly same footprint what has been given on the iQOO Neo 6. Great processor and great display, great camera. In terms of price, like, they do very well. Now you got the upgraded charging speed, the battery backup is nearly the same. So a lot of good things you are getting on the price, nearly what you are paying for the iQOO Neo 6. So this could be again one of the best recommended 5G phones in the 2023, the iQOO Neo 7. So those are, guys, my verdict with the iQOO Neo 7. Do let me know your thoughts also. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it. This is Saurabh. Have a great day.